Hello, Talita here, and I'm going to show you how to clean the Primescan.
So we are going to lock up the screen by holding the left and the right mouse buttons for about 1.5 seconds. And you're going to use your disinfectant wipe. Just make sure that it's not too saturated. We're going to wipe everything down. Gentle when you wipe the cord. You don't want to be tugging on this cord. You're going to be wiping the screen as well. It is a touch screen after all. We are touching it, unless you make it a point in your practice that you're not going to be touching the screen with your contaminated gloves. So I wipe everything down, I let it air dry to sanitize, and I go in with a second wipe. I re-wet the camera and the lens, and then I use Kimtech wipes to gently polish the lens dry. You can also use Kimtech wipes on the touch screen to remove any residue from your disinfectant wipe. And to unlock the screen, you're just going to flick the pedal upwards once.